Brahma said, Devanand Tadvacha Suttavaha. When they began to start the story to Brahma, Devanand Tadvacha Suttavaha. Brahma Tanaho Dukkhitan. Brahma became sorry. And he said, Prasaditvaha Tan Vishnu Sada Issa Moha Vishitamu. He said, I cannot solve this fact, this matter, but I am a creator for the reason I can create, I cannot solve it. Who is operator? Operator is Vishnu. Operator is Kalki my Jagat. So only that Vishnu or Kalki can solve it. If you start your story, if the Vishnu became pleased, if he pleased, he can fulfill your desire. What is your desire? I cannot fulfill your desire. If Vishnu pleased to your story, to the story of Koli, to the fault of Koli, if he pleased, he can fulfill your desire. He can fulfill your desire. For this reason, they began to stop. They began to stop to hurry to Vishnu or Kalki. They began to stop to take their desire, to take their sorry. They began to stop. That time, that Padma Polas Lochon Vishnu, that means Kalki, heard their grief. Tat Suttvaha Pundari Kakkohu. Tat Suttvaha. When they began to stop, that Vishnu or Kalki heard all incident, heard all. In the book's name Kalki Puran, author number 2, Shlok number 11. Shlok number 11. Tat Sruttavaha Pundari Kakkohu Brahma Namo Midam Bruvit Shambhali Vishnu Jasosu Grihi Pradurbhavamaham. Tat Sruttavaha Pundari Kakkohu Brahma Namo Midam Bruvit.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
When they began to start the story, which desire of them, that Pundarikakho, Vishnu or Kalki became very sorry. And he said, Tat Suttvaha Pundarikakhohu Brahmano Mabhavambrivit. When he said, at that time, Kalki said, that means Vishnu said, Tat Suttvaha Pundarikakho Brahmano Mabhavambrivit Shambhali Vishnu Jasosohu Grihi Pradurbhavamaham. Shambhali Vishnu Jasosohu Grihi Pradurbhavamaham. I shall appear to Shambhal in the house of Vishnu Jasa, I shall Abhirbhav, Oh Devata, you go. Leave this place, and you go to your house, to your home. I shall appear, I shall appear, I shall appear, or Sambal, in the house of Vishnu Josa, I shall appear, I shall be appear, I shall be appear. Just that time, Vishnu said in the Kolki Puran and author number 2 and slok number 11.